process. You first need to remove this silencer, the muffler, and this bolt and this bolt and this bolt and this one, and remove the whole piece, the muffler, this one wall. After you need to remove the propeller shaft also, this one. For this, you need to remove before the fuel tank, this one, and the propeller also need to remove first. First remove for the muffler side this bolt and this bolt also, these two side bolts. If you any tight, before you lubricate is good. After just remove this one for this one and these bushers, and make sure here for this bush also need to just pull. And it's our safety, you remove the differential sockets for the safety. After you need to remove this propeller shaft inside the 6 bolts, and this propeller also, this side also you need to remove. You will pull down the mufflers, old mufflers, the rear and inside the propeller shaft. And make sure this both, make sure this one, this big one, and here one small one. You see this one, these two fuel line need to remove. And also before you disconnect the battery negative cable and fuel pump relay for the safety. See, now I remove this spring bolt for the right side too and the left side muffler too, and remove this holder and remove this holder also. After, remove the rear muffler, this bolt and this bolt, and remove this bush. Also remove the jack actually. After for the safety, you just use this jack for that bolt. After, just pull this one back. Now the muffler I remove already. This one and this already pull down the muffler. After, you need to remove this one, this cover remove, and remove the propeller old bolt nut, and this one also coming inside. Now I remove the rear muffler and the center propeller shaft. After, you need to remove this petrol hose and the two connector, the white one. You see this one and this one you need to remove, and for this one also. Now I remove this main hose and this hose and inside too, this one and this one. After, remove the bolts from 6 bolts coming, one here, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Make sure the gasoline work, and this like that the underneath work you make your safety. That means safety goggles, helmet, and the gloves. Every time save yourself. I remove the tank. You see this one? This tank actually problem this one. Customer already before is repair from outside. The same the petrol tank is leak. Then need to remove this cover also. See, I forgot to tell you before. The underneath cover, this two cover and the propeller shaft and the muffler and this coupler. Make sure every time you are safety for the gasoline work time, you need to safety. Check the safety first. Okay, thank you.